This is a Sony color video camera model DXC 1800. Let's take this viewfinder off. First and foremost, so I can lay this thing down. Check it out. It's got a CRT in it. It's like slides over it. Oh shit. I guess that just comes off. Makes sense. Okay. We'll talk about that later. Probably take this lens off. Oh, seems kind of easy actually. Cool. Made by Tamron. That's dirty. Cool though. It's got auto zoom. Well, not auto zoom, but you know. Quick disclaimer, I don't know that much about cameras, as you may already have noticed. It's just the control handle. Kind of cool. What should we take off? Okay, that's sweet. Prop rocket launcher, maybe? Anybody? Ha ha ha, got you. Battery pack, that's cool. This indicator, it's really cool, little voltmeter. Definitely trying to use that on something. This guy, but that's, oh, okay. Getting down there. modularity of this thing. That's the word I'm looking for. Let's open the side up. Let's see what's inside. Whoa. Okay, well that's that side of things. It's captive. Nice. This is cool. In Japan. Some of these go to the other side. Okay. Smell takes me back. I used to take electronics apart a lot as a kid. This is definitely one of those vintage of circuit boards that has that smell to it. What brand is that switch? I've seen these before. Seems to be that way. What is this thing? There's two of them. Delay line. Thought it looked like a delay chip, but I don't really know anything about them. Okay, well, that side is out now. Connected between them. Wow, dude, what a crazy pile of parts and components all jammed in here. It's been forever since this thing was plugged in. That's fair. I don't want to cut anything, but I might have to. Just disconnect every possible, it's called JST connectors, something like that. I never remember the names of connectors. Makes me feel like a bad maker. It's crazy the amount of wires to get like signals from one side to the other. Alright, let's take this thing off. Need something smaller. It's still got, it doesn't have zip ties, it's got pieces of string on here. That's cool. It has a knot that they can snip like the excess off of. I don't know. It's probably time to take the sides off here. That wasn't supposed to come off of there. Huh. It's a cool looking delay line thing. I'm just reading what it says on there because I don't really know exactly how they work. Probably just add a delay to the signal so things can scan or sync up from the video sensor, we'll call it. Getting unruly. Okay, let's take this out. Oops, I ran out of storage. I don't know how much I didn't record, but here's where we're at. Managed to get all of the control boards out. These are so cool. All the circuit boards. Only ripped a couple of wires. Everything else managed to unweave. There's your circuit boards. Always be nulling. Okay. So now I'm going to take off the handle, this front face, and then the sensor. That'll be down to the frame. I don't know what I just undid, if anything. Okay. this all come out as one big piece. Oh, that's nice. That's really cool. Oh, it's the different filters. Yeah. How cool is that shit? They use high quality screws. Oh, there's the sensor. Oh, that's pretty thick. Oh. That's from something else. Those wires finally broke. My bad. There it is, just the sensor module. Interesting. Sony Trinicon. Seticon brand or something. It's been a subsidiary. That's not where that goes. Dude, this is cool. I kind of want to leave this on. Actually, I'm going to. I'm going to leave the handle on. How could I turn this into something? I don't know. But there you have it. Yeah, that's some of the cooler stuff here. Let's see. I'll open this up. Maybe module of some kind. I guess that's it. So, thanks for watching.